Good morning students. My name is Anmol. Today we are going to start our chapter number 2 of computer, that is GUI operating system. In previous class we have studied the features of Windows. Now next is our taskbar. What is taskbar? Taskbar is on the bottom of desktop. This bar that is placed on the bottom of desktop is known as taskbar. Okay, now in taskbar this is divided into three parts. First part, that is known as start button, on clicking which we open a window with program names on it. When we click on specific program, we can open that specific program. Now next part is our quick launch toolbar. What is quick launch toolbar? In quick launch toolbar, the applications which we access, दो मिनट रोक दो काट दे।
ऐसे बोलना क्विक लॉन्च के बाद
नेक्स्ट क्विक लॉन्च तो ही स्टार्ट करूँगी। वर्ड को Now next is our quick launch toolbar. What is quick launch toolbar? This is toolbar on which the application which we use commonly are placed here. We can click on these application icons and open them and access our application. Now next is our third part, which is situated on the right side of the toolbar. This is known as notification area. What is notification area? On this we get notifications related to our Windows update, network connections. Next, speaker is also placed on this notification area. Next is date and time. These two things are also placed on this notification area. Now this was our taskbar. Now next we have to study our icons. What are icons? In last class I have told you icons are small image like tiles placed on desktop. These are called icons. Now we have to study what are these icons. Now first is our my computer icons. What is my computer used for? With clicking this my computer icon, we can access the different drives and their content on our computer. Now next icon is our application icon. What is application icon? Suppose you have to access Word document or PowerPoint document. We will click on that particular application, then that application will be opened. Now suppose you want to write a PowerPoint presentation. What you will do? You will click on that PowerPoint presentation, then your PowerPoint presentation will be opened, then you can work on that. Now next we have to study our shortcut icons. What are shortcut icons? These are icons created on the desktop. You can see what is unique about it. This is arrow on the bottom of it, which makes it unique from other icons. That's why this is known as shortcut icon. This provides us the direct route to the specific application. Now next type of icon is our document icons. What are document icons? These are the active document icons that are placed on the taskbar that we have studied in our taskbar. Suppose we have opened a Word document, then that particular Word document icon will come here on the taskbar. We will call it our document icon. Now next is our network icon. What is network icon? On clicking this network icon, we can get access to the shared files on this particular network. Next is our recycle bin. You can see this on desktop. Which files come here? The deleted files that we delete from our drives, that comes under recycle bin. So thank you students. This was our today's class. Thank you.